Hi students, it's Mrs. Bleiler back checking in on our plants that we planted, our sunflower seeds. And as you can see, we've had some success. Our 3 seeds that we planted, it looks like they all sprouted. So that's good news. A lot of times when you plant a seed, you don't know if it's always going to come up. That's why I like to put in 3. But today what we're going to do is we're going to transplant our seedlings. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm also going to discuss some of the ideas about variety in sunflower seeds. Sunflowers, the Spanish name, girasol, their scientific name is helianthus, which helios is Greek for the sun, and anthus is Greek for flower. So you can see their Greek name describes them perfectly. A flower that looks like the sun. I made this little chart to show you that they come in lots of different varieties. We have this one, the skyscraper, that grows to be 12 feet. We have the mammoth, which is the ones we planted last time. They grow 8 to 12 feet. We also have these red autumn beauties that grow 4 feet tall. And finally, we have these ones called dwarf sunspot that grow 1.5 feet tall. So these are the ones that we grew. We started the mammoth sunflowers. So these right now are about 2 inches tall. We expect them to grow to be all the way as tall as 12 feet. I also had planted at the same time, I planted the sunflowers in these little peat pellets. And they're very easy to work with. I'm going to show you in another video how to plant in a peat pellet. But with the peat pellet, when it's time to transplant, you can just pick up the whole plant and you can see it's definitely ready for a bigger pot because look at all those roots. They need to be in soil. What I do is I get a plastic container and I put dirt in the bottom, and all I have to do is put that peat pellet right in there. And then we're going to cover that with dirt. So I just happen to have some soil right here in this container. I am just going to actually use my hands, but you can use a shovel, and just put that soil right around the peat pot. See, gardening is kind of messy, but you get good results. So this plant, I'm going to let grow for a couple more weeks transplanted in this pot. And you can see I have some others that I've already done over here, and they're looking very happy. And when I start to see roots come out of the bottom of the container, then I'll know that it's time to move them right into the ground then. So these were my mammoth sunflowers that I planted. I also planted these ones called the dwarf, which just grow to be maybe a foot tall. I thought they would be kind of fun to grow too. So I'm going to transplant one of those as well. And all you do is just put that soil around it. You don't have to start sunflowers inside, but I like to do that because at Lawrence High School in the garden, the bunnies really like to eat our sunflower seeds when they're this tall. So I like to get them a little taller and then put them out when they have a fighting chance against the bunnies. Today we got to transplant our mammoth sunflowers, which are just fantastic. Each one of those little tiny flowers you see in the middle, you probably have 300 or more little flowers that the bees will come and pollinate and make each of those flowers into a seed that is edible by animals and people. So this is our little sprout for our mammoth sunflower. So this other variety of sunflowers is a red sunflower, and I loved seeing as I transplanted those, the stem is red, which is so neat. And then finally, these other sunflowers we planted was the dwarf sunspot. And here's how they are looking. They are definitely looking shorter than our mammoth sunflower. And we expect those to only grow 1.5 feet. But hopefully you'll be seeing those out in the Lawrence garden this fall. So thank you so much. It was great to plant today. Hope you get to grow some of these sun-loving flowers in your garden this year. And if not, definitely visit our school garden. You're going to be seeing a lot of them. Hopefully these 4 different varieties are going to be growing there, so you will be able to see them. All right, take care.